guys, today we have done and
take it off.
And
take off your Pikmi pop.
And
Allison. And Dusk.
Hi, I'm Mackenzie, and this is my friend
Allison, we're twins. Actually, right now we're just friends.
Okay,
So today we're opening these emoji things.
Okay, let's open it. You can go first. Okay, so we're gonna see who's gonna make it first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I go first.
You go first.
Actually, I want you to go.
Okay. This is
Easy.
it's like you missed
The
it.
trash is
Oh my god!
I'm gonna throw the trash.
Okay, so here's a little pen holder thing. It's black and red on the same side. On the other sides.
Oh my gosh.
And then here's little instruction cards
And stickers.
and stickers.
The back is the instruction and the front is stickers.
Yeah. Instructions if you want to use it. This is so cute.
I know, right?
These
Can I
guys.
see? Oh, those are cute.
Okay, now it's your turn.
You already got everything out? Are you sure? I don't think so. I
Okay,
feel
and
something
then,
in there.
These heart cards.
I'm gonna see what's else.
And then emoji cards.
You have this.
Oh yeah, and I also have this. Download, make, play, scan your toy, unlock more fun. Okay, that's pretty creepy. But yeah, I don't have that app. So
My turn?
yes, it's your turn. Probably have
I
the same
think you
thing.
didn't show the happy faces.
Yes, I did.
You didn't? I'm gonna get mine. It's on the floor.
Okay.
Right here, right? Easy. Yeah, I'm not gonna show mine when you leave it. She's charging her phone.
Trying to.
Trying to. We just made a video about Pikmi Pops.
Yeah. And now what? Come on, charger. Can't you go long? Okay.
They can't see my face.
Here, how about we just
the Pikmi Pops?
There, perfect.
Okay,
now
be
you
right
can
back,
open
guys.
yours.
Be right back. Don't open it. Do something with the squishies and stuff.
Okay, so basically we're upside down. Yeah, because I have no idea.
I'm back. They're twinsies. They're the same. We got the same thing.
So
That's why. The same colors.
black and red. Black and red.
The same stickers.
And instructions.
And instructions. Of course. Put these over
Okay.
there.
And then she got happy face and heart and this thing.
I know.
Happy face and
Just saying.
Oh yeah. Happy face.
Should we do them?
Which one do you want to do? I want to do a happy face.
Yeah, me too. No, actually,
Okay.
I'm gonna do the heart and she's gonna do the happy face.
We're making them for
we have
each
to
other.
cut one. We have to cut it.
No?
Oh, it's a notebook, isn't it? Yeah. Wait, I think I'm leaving. Bye.
Bye-bye.